So, this next game is called an ice cream scoop, okay? So, all we're going to do is build our ice creams, okay? I'm going to throw it to you one at a time, and I want to see if you can catch it in your ice cream. Yeah, can you catch it? Ready? Oh, we got one! Ready? Two, there we go! Oh, it's in! There we go, and again, ready? There we go. Let's see if we can go even bigger this time. Come back down the line, ready? Two, three, there we go. 4, 5, and again.